This is the NOKIA G60, and today we're going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, as it is widely known, the Google Play Store does not allow you to, but in order to download the Fortnite, just open any search engine that you like, then type in Fortnite APK, the query like this one. Among the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website and go for it. Once the web page gets loaded, type or tap on the download the app from Epic Games hyperlink or link. I'm not sure why do I call it the hyperlink. Then confirm the file download anyway. Then open the file, update or install if you did not have it previously. It might also ask you to give the browser that you use the permission to install unknown apps, which you can freely do. Now let's open the Epic Games launcher. Then tap on this black get button located in front of a Fortnite. And, tap on this yellow install button, which will first obviously download the files, so we'll wait until it will do just that. But as you can see, this little dialog window appears that asks us to let the Epic Games launcher to install unknown apps or allow unknown sources, in other words. So let's go to the settings, turn this toggle on, and install the Fortnite. As you can see, the Fortnite game has been installed. Now we can absolutely launch it, and all that separates you from being actually able to play it is the fact that it needs to, kind of update itself and download all the necessary resources, files, and what's not. So just wait until it finishes and you're good to go. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.